Hi, Terry here. I'm getting into my Halloween spooky craft makes, and I'm starting off with this book that I made using another fabulous kit from Vectoria Designs. Before I get into the book, if you like my video, please hit that thumbs up, and if you want more content like this, just hit the subscriber button. Also, I will post any relevant links in the description below. Now let's get going. I do want to mention that what got me into this book here was this freebie kit right here. It's called Haunted Secrets Booklet, and I'll post the link below to get the tutorial as well as to sign up for the free printables. The kit that I used for this book is called Haunted Home Deluxe Crafting Printables Kit, and it is currently available on Etsy. And again, that's through Vectoria Designs. And I'm not a sponsored post. This is just because I actually love her products. Her printables are amazing. The detail is just incredible. And I'm sure you'll think so too. All right, so let's get going. First, I wanted to start off with the free book. This little booklet here. It's so cute. It has all kinds of spots and hidden spots and all kinds of really fun things like this. This is a little booklet and hidden inside this little envelope here that ties closed. And then we have a little book here, but there's some secret pockets in the pages as well as little fold outs. This one got little pockets here, and it of course hides it. And let's see, right here is another one, a couple more. And let's see, there's another one. Now, some of these actually have hidden pockets, like this first one here. I didn't put anything in there, but it's a little place to hide cool stuff. And here's another one. As you can see, the quality of the print is just amazing. And then at the end, there's another little fold out with a little card. All right. And then again, that all ties up. I will be making another larger book using the Haunted House Deluxe kit that actually holds this inside the book. But I'll be sharing that when it's done. All right, so this book right here, this was actually created using a handmade book club design. It's called a limp binding. It was originally supposed to be a temporary binding, but I just love it so much. I just made it more finished. For the cover paper, I did use a Cyanotype handmade Locta paper. That it was kind of thin, so I had to back it up a bit. But as you can see, it's really pretty. I love the designs. This frame here is actually a vintage frame that I bought locally. It's brass, solid brass. And then this is a little Tim Holtz bat. And then the little hitch fastener here. And this is the back. I did do some stitching on my machine, a little bit fancier than just a straight stitch, because I thought it was kind of appropriate. So, and this is the inside of the book. And for the pages, I hand deckled, or hand tore, for those of you that aren't familiar with the term, all the page edges, just to give it a more, I don't know, older, more tactile feel. I just love the way it looks on the edge. I didn't finish it as much as I did the steampunk book, but I did add pockets and cards and things to it. But as you can see, it really is beautiful. Hello. Hello, goodbye. And more little pockets with cards. These are all embellishments that I just, little bit here and there that I added to the pages. I didn't go crazy this time. So I just added mostly pockets with file cards and such. Right here. This is a little booklet. So this is more for, you can actually journal and junk journal in this. This is I did, I haven't decided if I'm going to sell this or not yet. I might hold on to it. We'll see. As you can see, see how pretty that is. Spooky but pretty. It's another little I did that little the imagery is just beautiful. It really is. Okay, there we go. This is the back, and that's pretty much it. Again, if you like this little flip through, please like my video, and if you want to see more content like this, I'll be sharing more. Just hit that subscribe button. Thanks very much, and happy creating.